Morning, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to Wes's Angling. Joining me and my dad today on the Rufford Canal doing a bit of lure fishing. Going to be trying a couple of different techniques out and a couple of different lures. I'm sorry about the conditions, it's so windy, so hopefully the audio's okay. But yeah, we're fishing for anything that swims today. I think I'm going to be trying some bigger lures out and stuff like that. I've heard that the Rufford Canal is very productive, a bit more productive than the Leeds-Liverpool, so fingers crossed we get a few fish for you. Look at this, eh? Second cast.
Third cast.
It's a nice little perch, isn't it? Well, it just shows you that it's definitely a more productive canal, doesn't it?
Right at the side here.
Yeah. It's wrapped around your tip, I think, Dad. Oh dear. It's really windy today. What were you doing? Just retrieving it? Or were you bouncing it up and down? It's worth another couple of casts because they show up, don't they? It's just, you don't want to get snagged on that boat, do you? This is a 5-gram spinner. What I might do is, if my dad keeps catching these small perch, I might swap over to a 3-gram spinner. But I'm going for a mixture today, pike and perch. So I need something that's a decent size. Beginner's luck, Dad, I think, that. Yeah. Did you strike into it or did it just hook itself? Good stretch of canal coming up, Dad, with the rushes. Looks like pike territory to me, that. Apartments, yeah.
Yeah, we've cycled that way.
Have you? It's a lot clearer, this canal, than the Chorley stretch of the Leeds-Liverpool. I'm using a spinner today and my dad's using a jig. Give us the best of both worlds and we'll see which is better. Casts a little bit too well. So this is a Fox Rage spinner. It's got a little bit snagged up. On somebody else's line there. I hope might be a lure on it. Grab the line, Dad, rather than see if there's a lure on it. Yeah. Ah! Careful. Is there a line? Is there a thing on it?
No, like I said, no.
Oh, yep. I was in. Drag was a bit low. Damn. That was a proper bite. Drag was a little bit low though. Cuts it. Just getting it at the right speed. Yeah, it was in the middle, yeah. See, I have got the option of trying this today. Slow sinking soft tail. Let's do it. Right, let's give it a go. And hopefully I don't lose this because these are about 15 quid. That's a proper lure. Ooh, careful. Ooh. Won't be laughing when I get a 60-pound pike. Look at that action in the water. That pink tail at the back really stands out, and very slow sinking. Yeah, so the way I think I'm going to work it is retrieving but with some drops, so it's slow sinking downwards like that, so I can leave it for a few seconds and it'll just sink, and that'll hopefully imitate a dying fish, which I'll try and show you now. See that? It's very slow sinking downwards, but you still get that flash of the back tail. So I'll do some casts just retrieving, and I'll do other casts with a slightly different action. I think this is where the Leeds-Liverpool Canal meets the Rufford Canal, going that way. I'll just wallop it down. Castle. I don't know where my dad's going, he's missing the best bit of the canal. Tell you what, the Rufford Canal's bleeding treacherous. Look at this. You'd have struggled netting a fish there, and you don't know where the end of the embankment is and where the canal starts. Might be going for a swim at some point today. You found a bit of a place where you can get in. There you go. Don't know how deep it is here, so I don't want to let the lure sink too far, otherwise I'll be snagged up bottom. And they're not cheap, these. Absolutely amazing action though in the water. Absolutely. It's not a bad cast. Oof, that's very close to that back bank. Come on, £20 pike, £5 pike, anything. £2 jack pike, anything. Oh my god, I don't like this bridge. Dodgy. Yeah, Dad, that's what I made. It's a retrieval hose. What's wrong with it? So and I. Yeah. Look. So basically, you just hook that. You hook your line through it. See, and then you slide it down your line, and then it knocks it out. Lure knocker, homemade, using some feeder attachments. Look.
You're wrong. Just
that'll work. Cast that
lure into that tree, and you can try it.
No, I don't think it works with trees. feel weight of it. It's not. It's unsnagging anything that it hits. That's all they are, though. They just they hook them onto your line and you slide them down. Well, it doesn't have to go far, does it? They're only 2 meters of cable. No, that's a bit enough. Yeah, it's a shame about the weather. Otherwise, it'd have been a nice day, I think. Small hook, but try that. They're meant to be really good, them lures. Paddle tail and spiked. I've only got one though, so don't lose it. We've got another Fox Rage spinner as well, but it's 11 grams. It's a little bit big, heavy. No, it's all right. I've got another 5 gram one there. I got 2 because I know how rubbish I am at casting. So I've got another one there. But I can always rig that back up if I need to. What's this one? Got that one as well. That was in sale, I don't know why. It looks a bit rubbish. I think I'll rig this other 5 gram up while my dad's having a brew. And I can swap back over to this rod if I need to then. No, you can get them cheaper than the bloody ugly sticks are a fortune now. Yeah, they must have gone up in value because of my review on it. Yeah. Oh, I think we're going to start heading back. This wind's unbearable. We never fish in the right conditions, do we? We never have much luck with that. Ring, guys. Yeah, you just push it. That's it. That's it. I think I'll be able to do it by hand. Let's have a look at it. Stuck on the teeth there. Yeah, I'm going to need the forceps. I don't think I'll do it by hand. It's well hooked. Be careful. Nice little jack pike. We knew there were fish here, didn't we?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's get it back in the net. New PB.
Yeah.